Hi, I'm Allison with Advanced Pure Air. Today we're going to be unboxing the Mini UV air purifier that I have right next to me. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start unboxing the Mini UV air purifier. Okay, so the first thing that we have in here that you're going to see is the manual. This is full of a ton of good information regarding the maintenance on the machine, when to change the filter, how to use it, all that good stuff. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab the power supply. That is how you're going to plug it into the wall, and then the machine. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And then the first thing I'm going to do is actually flip the unit over and go to the filter area. There are pieces of tape on the bottom. You're going to go ahead and remove that and then pull out the filter. I'm going to do that now. All right, so here is the filter. It does have a plastic film on it, so we're going to need to remove this before we can get the unit started. As you can see on the bottom of the filter, there's an unlock and lock, so you're going to go ahead and put it in there and twist it. What you have here is a HEPA filter, an activated carbon filter, and a TiO2 filter. These all work together to remove pollen, dust, other airborne particles, as well as attack bacteria and viruses, with the TiO2 working in conjunction with the UV light on the inside. So go ahead and put this in. Make sure it's locked. And we're going to go ahead and flip it over. And now we're going to get the power plug. Go ahead and open that. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this into the back of the unit. You can see here. Push it, turn it around, and plug it into the wall. Now that we have the unit plugged in, we're going to go ahead and find the switch on the back of the machine and turn it on. It's going to cycle through a few little color ring lights right here. Once it stops, we're going to go ahead and push this power button, and now it's good to go. To turn on the UV light, you just simply push the blue UVC light on the top. If you want the UV light off, just hit it again. On here, you can change it to auto. I really like the auto mode. It allows it to basically change the fan speed to whatever it needs to be. This machine also has a sleep mode, which turns off the color ring, and it also turns it to a lower fan speed. So you simply just hit the sleep mode button, and now it is super quiet. The fan is still moving, but there's no light coming from the color ring. So this is the Mini UV. This is good for about 300 square feet, and it is available now. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our phone number is 888-601-5886, or you can visit our website at advancedpureair.com.